Struggling to make your funnels actually convert? The key isn't just building a funnel, it's having the right strategy. Here is a proven GoHighLevel funnel framework that works. Start with a clear offer. Your funnel needs a crystal clear offer, whether it's a free guide, a demo, or a discount. Make sure your headline and call to action are simple and direct. Now, capture leads effectively. Use GoHighLevel's opt-in forms to collect emails or phone numbers. Keep it short. Name and email are usually enough to get higher conversions. Once someone opts in, don't leave them hanging. Build a workflow that sends automated emails or SMS messages right away. The faster you follow up, the higher your chances of closing. And then don't just sell, provide value. Use GoHighLevel to send educational content, success stories, or short tips that build trust over time. Finally, end your funnel with a limited time offer or a clear next step, like booking a call. Pair this with GoHighLevel's pipeline tracking to see who's most engaged. And that's the funnel strategy. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.